Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today we're going to be going over my mystery bundles that I got in the add-on sale for BoxyCharm. And the first one is the Bright Eyes and Face Mystery Bundle, and then I also have the Glow Goals Mystery Bundle. But the only thing is they mixed them all together, so I kind of had to use my best guesses to put them in the right category. If you like makeup and beauty subscriptions, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for easier access to more videos like this. Okay, and first up in the bundle is this Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette. And I actually have this palette, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the one that I have out and swatch it for you because we're going to put this one in a future giveaway. This one is mine, and it is a wonderful palette. All the colors blend in it really well. The pigment is definitely there, very pigmented colors. So let's go ahead and get a swatch of this, and I'll be right back. Okay, here's just a few of the colors just to give you an idea of what the palette looks like. And here are the colors. And like I said, the pigment is there absolutely, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful palette. So whoever gets this is going to be so happy with it. But that is the first thing in there, so definitely like that one. And next up is from NARS. It's the blush, and I want to say shade Gaiety. For me, the bundle is already paid for with the Ace Beauty palette. But this is valued at $30, and then their add-on sale, it's $18. And I do believe that these were only $15 a piece. So that's definitely winning, if you ask me. And this is what the blush looks like here. It's very pinky color. And as always, NARS blush is amazing. So I'm going to do a quick swatch of this so we can see what it looks like. And this is the blush right here. Definitely, like normal NARS blushes, is a buildable color. But I do like that. And what I do really like about this blush, I do think it would look good with a variety of skin tones as well. And last but not least in this bundle is this Velvet Lip Matte Pencil from NARS. And last up in this bundle is this Velvet Matte Lip Pencil from NARS. And it's always exciting for me to get some NARS products because I barely have any. So the more I can add to my collection, the better. And it looks like it is a red color. Okay, it's like a pinky red. It definitely goes on very smoothly. I really enjoy using this, so I'm looking forward to adding this to my collection. And next up, the Glow Goals Mystery Bundle. And first up in the Glow Goals is from Kosas, which I'm probably not saying that right because I'm terrible at pronouncing names. But it's a color and light cream blush and highlighter. And I have tried, I think, like a foundation from this brand before, and I really did like it. So I'm excited to see. Okay, I do love the packaging. It reminds me of NARS packaging, kind of. And inside we have the cream blush and highlighter, and I wanted to lean more towards cream products anyways, so this is perfect. Let's get a swatch of this highlighter. Oh, I'm absolutely loving this so far, especially the cream highlighter and the blush duo. Look at that highlighter there. That is stunning. I don't think I own any cream highlighters. I know I own like liquid highlighters, but I don't have or even heard of a cream highlighter. So that's the first thing in the bundle. And next up is from Give Me Lala Beauty. Looks like this is a lip gloss. And this is the outside packaging. This is the packaging here, and it looks almost like they put like a marbled looking top to it. And then we have the bottom of the lip gloss that looks almost like frosted with the way they put the glass in there. So that looks super cute. Oh, wow. I love this color. And I actually don't think I own any in this exact shade. So here is the lip gloss. I just want to put it all on. Let's see. The next thing here is I've actually tried a liquid highlighter. I think I have a liquid highlighter from this brand. Ilmask Illamasqua Satin Primer. And let's see what this looks like. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that. It looks like something you would get from a fancy hotel. Super nice packaging. Very elegant. It doesn't have a smell to it at all. And it's made in Germany. So that is also really cool. Something, I don't have a lot of things made in Germany. So there's that. That's everything that I had in my mystery bundles. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.